So, ayan guys. So, ang gawin nyo lang po is all you have to do is to download the file. So, once downloaded na po yung file na it's PSS, IBM, PSS Statistics 26. Nasend ko na po yung link doon sa sa chat box natin. So, gawin niyo lang po doon is click niyo na po yung link, then download niyo po yung file. So, once na-download niyo lang po, just locate the file in a download folder. That's a default folder for all the downloads on your computer. So, IBM is PSS installer. So, ganyan po yung lalabas. So, all you have to do is to, of course, open it. Then, merong dalawang folder na makikita dyan, setup at saka crack. So, ang gawin po natin dyan sa crack, yung crack na yan, gagamitin natin yan para magiging full version nyo po yung software. Kasi kapag hindi natin gagamitin yung crack na yan, hindi po yun gagana yung SPSS. So, unang gawin muna natin, click na muna natin yung setup. Okay, yan. So, as we can see here, so meron tayong 4 na files. SPSS Statistics, Autoplay, Autorun, at saka Setup. So, ang gawin po natin, click po natin yung Setup. Yung Setup, yan, that's it. So, double click po natin yung Setup para ma-install na natin. Okay, let's go ahead. So, ayan. So, drag ko muna yung mukha ng prompt kapag na-download tayo. Okay, so you will be prompted with the window. So, merong 4 dyan. So, focus nyo lang yung mata nyo dyan sa install IBM PSS Statistics 26. Yan lang po yung i-click. So, click po natin. So, and let the program do its thing. Then, click nyo lang yung next, accept, next, then yes. Okay, dapat naka-yes yan, default. Kasi for Python yan, for programming. Then, proceed natin yan para ma-install yan. Then, accept, next, then, next. So, gawin next. Next lang po. So, para ma-install niya sa drive C. Click install. Ayan. So, nag-install na po siya. So, ganyan lang. Hintayin natin para ma-install yung SPSS. So, kung matagal-tagal yan, it really depends on the specs of your computer. So, kapag meron kayong Core i3, Core i5 above na unit, so expect the installation would be much faster comparing to the low specs na mga laptop. So, if you have also Ryzen 5, Ryzen 7 processor, so it will be much faster. Katulad ng i7 at i5. So, yan. Unahin lang natin. So, yan. So, medyo may katagalan po siya kasi marami pong files na in-install. Pero hindi naman siya aabot ng 2 oras. So, ganyan. So, you will be prompted with another window which is the CMD. So, ganyan po yung niya. That's normal kasi nag-install po yan ng Python. Yung programming na Python na sinasama dyan sa folder sa SPSS. So, that's normal. Huwag kayong magtaka. Huwag kayong kasing tinga mo diha. So, that's pretty normal lang po. So, hintayin lang po natin. So, pagtapos na yan, mawawala din yan. So, do not attempt to close. Huwag nyo i-attempt yung close. Pag-close na because nag-i-install po yan. Kapag close po yan, hindi po maging successful. So, ayan. Tapos na po. So, tapos na yung pag-install ng Python. So, hintayin natin. So, ayan. So, ayan na yung ito sa baba. Ang gawin nyo lang po is uncheck. Okay? Kasi kapag i-check po yan, mag-activate po yung authorization wizard. Manghihingi po yan ng license. So, ang gawin po natin is uncheck para ma-install po natin yung crack doon sa folder. Then finish. So, ayan. So, ayan guys. So, ayan na. Sa pagkatapos na ma-install is ang gawin nyo, exit nyo lang. Okay? Tapos yung exit, punta kayo sa crack. So, go to the crack folder and then copy yung file na yan. So, right click, copy, and then go ahead to this PC. Okay, click this PC or go to local disk C. Drive. Then, locate program files. Open yung folder na program files. Then, find IBM folder. So, ayan, IBM folder. Then, open it. Click statistics. Ganyan. Hanggang aabot ka ng 26. Okay? Yung 26 na yan. So, once you arrive dyan sa 26, it's time for you now to paste the file. Okay? Click nyo lang dyan sa gilid. Okay? Then, paste. Okay? So, you will be prompted with a window to replace the file and destination. Click replace. Then, click continue. Continue lang po yan. Then, pagkatapos continue, yan. Na-save na, then you're good to go. So, let's try to open. You may search on kasi hindi po yan lalabas sa desktop ninyo. Wala pong shortcut yan. So, ang gawin nyo is i-search po yan sa baba. Then, search nyo. Then, type nyo lang yung IBM SPSS. So, wag nyo po yung dito sa taas po. Yung IBM lang po talaga yung file na lalabas. Dapat yung i-click nyo. Yung pinakaunang lalabas. So, ayan. So, mag-load po yan. Hintayin natin. So, ayan na po siya. Ayan na guys. So, lumabas na yung IBM SPSS statistics. So, yan. So, merong dalawang window na lalabas dyan. So, all you have to do, pwede kayong mag-click ng new dataset. At saka kasi yung nasa likod yung main. So, pwede kayong mag-click ng new dataset. Or pwede nyo rin dyan, i-close yan, yung IBM. So, pwede nyo close yan, then, para mag-reveal yung data entry na part. So, type kayo dyan ng anumang words. Then, kapag okay na pag-type na kayo, then you are good to go. Meaning to say, pwede mo nyo nang gamitin yung SPSS full version. Kung that's a full version of SPSS na pwede nyo na gamitin. So, you're good to go. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day.